Guys, welcome back. Let's move to our next question. So, what they given the question? The sum of rupees 4,558 is divided among A, B, and C, such that A receives 20% more than C and C receives 25% less than B. What is the A shares in the amount, right? So, let's look into the solution. So, total sum amount is 4,550, guys. Total amount is 4,550 is divided among three numbers, that is A, B, and C. So, we don't know their values actually. So A is receives 20% more than C and C receives 25% less than B. So they mentioned anything about B. So let us assume so B as X. That means what happens? Then C receives 25% less than B. Suppose 25% less than B. So if it is X means in this he receives 75%. Then only that is 25% less than B. So C will get 75%. That means 25% less than means he will get 75% in 100%. That is 75% of B. 75% is nothing but 3 by 4 of B is X. So 3x by 4. C equal to 3x by 4. So let's move to the next step. That is and C. A receives 20% more than C. So C equals to 3x by 5. So as C is, so everything guys for each and every person's value, initially that should be 100%. Percentage is the topic itself means we will assume that every person's individual should be 100%. So by assuming that only we can calculate. Right? So C is this value. We will get more than 20% of C. That means initially 100% is total amount should be. 20% means 120%. That means 120% A's value is 120% of C. That means 120 by 100 into 3x by 4. So what I will get by cancelling this? I will get 9x by 10, right? 4 3s 9x by 10. So A equals to 9x by 10. So we know that already I said total amount is given, that is 4,550. That means A plus B plus C equals to 4,550. A equals to 9x by 10 plus B equal to x as we assume and C equal to 3x by 4. So that equals to total amount is 4,550. So by calculating this I will get x as 1720. X as 1720 I will get. But then what they are asking to find? What is A share in the amount? That means we have to find the A shares in the total amount. So A shares means already we know the A is 9x by 10. That means 9 by 10th of the total amount. That means A share equal to 9 by 10th of the total amount. That is B here X is the B's value. Right? X is the B's value. What they said, but we know we have the equation A equals to 9x by 10. This is A share according to the given condition. So A equals to 9 by 10 into 1720. So by calculating this, what we will get? 172 into 9. That way we will get answer as 154. So our answer is 1540. That is our option is C. Hope you got it, guys. Nothing is there, guys. So whenever we are solving a percentage of problems, then each and every person should have the total. We assume that total percentage for every individual should be 100%. So depending upon that, what I taken total amount is what they given, and also C receives 25% less than B they mentioned. That means what I taken 25% less than B means initially we don't know B, so that I assume B as X. 25% less than B means that means 25% is less from the 100%. Then means how much the C is receiving? 75%. So C equal to 75% of B. 75 is nothing but 0.75. That means 3 by 4. How we are getting 0.75? That is 75 divided by 100. So 75 divided by 100 is 0.75, which is nothing but 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 of X. Next A is 20% more than C. So initially C is 3 by 4x, which is of 100%. 20% more means 120%. So A equals to 120% of C. That is 120 by 100 into 3x by 4. So I got A as 9x by 10. Similarly, they given the total amount. So A plus B plus C, depending upon the values, what we assume as per the given conditions. By calculating this, we will get as x equal to 1720. But what they are asked to calculate as? They are asked for the A share in the amount. So A share in the amount equals to, so A equals to 9 by 10 into X. What is X? 1720. So by calculating this, we will get A as 1540. Hope you got it, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also share this information with all of your friends. It's truly Teja signing off. Bye. Have a nice day.